Hey Syracuse, hey Central New York. I have some terrible news, and it's not just for us realtors, but it's for buyers as well. Did you know, according to the latest renovation report from Houzz with two Z's, that 45% of homeowners planning projects say they expect to never move, and that an additional 20% say they plan to move in the next 5 years. So homeowners are committed to remodeling. Translation, they're staying. They're renovating and they're doubling down on where they are. That means fewer homes coming to the market. That also means inventory can remain tight. So buyers waiting for things to open up might be waiting a little bit longer. This isn't a crash signal, it's just a supply signal. So if you're a buyer in Central New York, don't panic, but you do need to be strategic. Planning. And if you're renovating, be smart about what you improve. Because I know even if you think you're never, ever, ever going to move, sometimes life has a way of changing plans. Come on, Central New York, let's move with strategy and not hope in a